In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find taxes in Squarespace. If you're running an online store through Squarespace, managing your taxes correctly is an essential part of keeping your business compliant and organized. Squarespace offers two main methods for handling taxes, and in this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the process of locating and setting up the tax options that work best for your business. If you're new to Squarespace, you'll find a link in the description to create your account and get started. Now let's dive in. To begin, open Squarespace and log into your account dashboard. Once you're in, you'll notice a menu running along the left-hand side of the dashboard. This menu is where you'll find all the main settings and tools you'll need to manage your site. From here, click on the Settings option to access Squarespace's configuration options. Now that you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you locate a section labeled Selling. This is where you'll find all the tools related to managing your online shop. Once you've spotted it, click on Selling to reveal more options. Next up, look for the Taxes option within the Selling tools. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the tax settings page. This is where you'll set up how Squarespace handles sales tax for your store. Squarespace gives you two methods to choose from: manual taxes and automated taxes. First, let's talk about the manual tax option. If you choose manual taxes, you'll need to click the manual option to get started. This method allows you to enter tax rates yourself. It's a good choice if your tax situation is relatively simple. For example, if you're only selling in one location or you already know the specific tax rates that apply to your business. However, keep in mind that with this method, you'll need to monitor tax laws closely and update the rates manually whenever there are changes. This extra responsibility is worth noting, as staying compliant with tax regulations is critical for avoiding potential issues down the road. Alternatively, you can select the Automated Taxes option. To do this, click Automated, and Squarespace will handle most of the work for you. With this method, the platform calculates sales tax during checkout based on your customer's location and the latest tax rates. Automated taxes are ideal for businesses with more complex needs, such as shipping to multiple locations or dealing with different product categories that may have varying tax rules. This approach reduces the risk of errors and saves you time as Squarespace keeps the rates updated automatically. Take a moment to think about which method best suits your business. If you're unsure, consider the complexity of your sales setup. For example, if you sell locally and have fixed rates, manual taxes might be all you need. But if you're shipping products across the country or internationally, automated taxes can be a real game changer. Once you've made your decision and configured your settings, don't forget to save your changes. This ensures that your tax preferences are applied correctly and that your customers will see the appropriate tax rates during checkout. And that's it. You've now learned how to locate and set up taxes in Squarespace, whether you prefer the manual or automated method. By following these steps, you can ensure your store is compliant and ready to handle sales tax efficiently. If you have any additional questions or need help with another Squarespace feature, let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.